woken up from what can only be described as the best sleep of all time.
It was so good.
We're going to shave my face and we're going to eat food and cuddle, and then
Will I give myself an undercut?
If you want.
Babe, imagine at the back, it's all good. I wouldn't have my baby here then.
And then I have a gig in town. Don't stay tuned. No, I won't. You can cut that out, obviously. Woo! Yeah, that is so fresh. Thank you. Had some lovely pasta. Had a nice relax on the couch. And now we're gonna cuddle up and watch a film. A coming of age comedy.
The way back.
We've already seen it before, but
Coming of age drama. Oh, comedy.
We've already seen it before, but if we fall asleep, we won't miss what happens.
We're watching what we've watched before so we can nap to it. We're gonna give it a ducky tutty!
Oh! 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 I'm not gonna see this little apple for like a week now. That's so sad. Cuddles the book. Bye! I just met up with the extended family. I don't know if that's in focus or not.
Cousin Pilo.
Cousin Pilo. We're going to some neck guitars on Asia Street.
Blow all me money.
Bob Dylan can buy a load of strings and cables. Sound check sounded beefy. Now we're gonna relax for a while and play the show later. They're getting a Mexican meal and I'm not.
A burrito bowl.
Oh! I changed all of my euros into dollars for New York in the morning. That's it. So no cash. I wouldn't get a burrito anyway, no, let's be honest.
Forever creeping.
Forever creeping. We finished the gig. We got Golden Grass!
Go. About Lenny Abraham.
Katie's trying to convince me that Irish cinema is good, and I just said Sing Street's the only good film I've ever seen, and then she said
The Commitments.
and I was like, yeah. That thing that lad was carrying was a piano, and or like keyboard. He had all the way down the road had been carrying it with the keys facing the road, so you could see it was a keyboard. And the minute I videoed him, he turned around and it was just defeated the purpose.
But more importantly, no more golden crisp.
Empty. And she went to reach for another square and it was gone. Getting a lift all the fucking way out. And I'm home. Gonna have a sandwich, lie around the house, maybe watch a film or something, and then go to bed because tomorrow I'm going to New York City. Woohoo! I'm pretty sure Charlotte will be vlogging after work, so I'll leave the rest to her. Peace and love, yeah.
Good night. I'm home now after being in work and I'm very sleepy and got little Parker P to come up and cuddle me. And I'm gonna go to sleep and then I'm up to go back into work. My week's gonna be very boring, by the way. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog as much because Keith's videos are gonna be unbelievable since he's gonna be in New York. So yeah, we'll see how it goes.
6 AM, this whole trip starts now. I'd say I got about 2.5 hours sleep. Woo! 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 New York City!
Good morning! This is exactly what I wore in bed. The exact clothes, well, top half that I was wearing yesterday because I was tired and Parker P was cuddling into me and I didn't want to move him, so I slept in my clothes. And yeah, I had an awful night's sleep because Parker was sleeping with me, and he always seems to get sick whenever he sleeps in my bedroom. I don't know what it is, and I have to like get him up and like clean him and all. It's so sad. Going to get ready, and then literally all I'm doing is working today, and then that's it. So nothing exciting from Charlotte. I'm cracking out this box again. I made this box last year because I need somewhere to put my money to save for San Francisco. Oh, that's so sad. Come on. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to change the dates, or I'll just put on. I'm gonna have to put on new dates and like every time we go or something. I'm gonna save on the tips that I get in work in here. So yeah, I just don't have an excuse to spend them. Because I started up a saving account in the post office and I started putting like €100 blah 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 every week. And then I don't know where my book is now. It's Cecilia's little book. And I don't know where it is, so it's kind of a good thing because I can't take the money out, but I can put money in now, so that little box it is. Got me a roll.
See you in a week, grass man. Keep growing. All set to go. Have the little sleeping thing for my neck. Case is packed. See you Monday. Bye. See you Monday. Bye. Bye. Thank you.
For the vlogging for the next week. So you're going to be stuck with me.
Bags are checked in. We made it through security. These have to be the cutest things ever. This is only 5 minutes into duty free. God knows what it'll be like in New York.
Did you like that one?
Yeah, they all look the same to me.
But they're not.
We're also 2 hours waiting for the flight now because my mum had to be here in real early, so. Pure. Made it through all the different securities and we're waiting now to board the plane. Oh yeah. We're just about to board the plane and leave this rainy Ireland for New York, New York. There it is. Chicken was actually really nice.
So was the chili really nice.
Of course she got stuck behind the air hostess. I think they're mountains, but my mum and the air hostess think they're clouds. They have to be mountains, look. They were mountains. Arrived in New York.
You're all very welcome.
Jumping off the plane in New York City. We're only here a couple of minutes. We got the case. Let's got her case. We're FaceTiming with Dad as well.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York, these vagabond shoes.
We made it to the hotel, woo! And she gave us an upgrade for some random reason, woo! A double bed each. Got gloves chilling over there. We just pulled up in the hotel room and it started raining outside, but we're still going out.
That doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York.
We were out for most of the day exploring Times Square and Broadway and all these different places around there. Came back to the hotel for a quick refuel and now we're getting the subway to somewhere else.
New York, New York.
I just ordered a Jack Daniel's burger. We're waiting like 40 minutes now, I think, for these burgers.
And find I'm a number one, top of the list, king of the hill, a number one. These little town blues.
Longest day of my existence. Bye.
This is. Like, what is this? Do you not? Isn't it weird?
I look really backwards. You'd feel really like you'd always have to like be like.
Isn't recording you, by the way.